When you begin learning English, it can feel a bit hard, but with practice, it gets easier. Start with basic words like yes, no, and thank you. These words are used every day, and learning them helps you feel more confident. Try to listen to simple English videos or songs. This will help you hear how words sound. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. The more you listen and practice, the better you will become. It's also a good idea to talk to someone who speaks English, even if you know only few words. The key is to keep practicing every day. With time, you will notice how much your English improves. Follow for more videos.